If you've ever burned through an entire Saturday wrestling with a roller and a paint tray only to wind up with drip marks and an aching back, you already understand why a quality sprayer is such a game changer. The problem is, the market is absolutely packed with choices. Everything from pocket-sized handhelds to massive contractor-grade rigs. Today, we're counting down the 10 best airless and high-performance sprayers worth buying in 2026. We dug into details like battery compatibility and how much overspray you'll actually deal with. Whether you're touching up kitchen cabinets or repainting a whole backyard fence, there's a tool on this list built for exactly that situation. And we're confident you'll find an option here that fits your budget and your project. Let's get into it. Next up is a paint sprayer that brings cordless convenience to one of the messiest jobs around. The Tilswall cordless paint sprayer is built for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want smooth, professional-looking results without wrestling with bulky hoses or extension cords. The standout feature here is its lightweight, cordless design, making it easy to move around furniture, climb ladders, or work outdoors without feeling restricted. Performance is surprisingly strong for such a compact unit, delivering an even spray pattern that helps eliminate brush marks and roller streaks on a variety of surfaces. Several nozzle options and adjustable flow controls are included, allowing you to switch between detailed finishing work and larger coverage areas depending on the project. Whether you're spraying cabinets, fences, walls, doors, or outdoor furniture, the system adapts quickly to different materials and paint types. Cleanup is also refreshingly simple thanks to its detachable components and user-friendly design. It's noticeably comfortable to hold during longer sessions, which makes a bigger difference than you might expect. If you're looking for a practical cordless sprayer that combines flexibility, ease of use, and dependable performance, the Tilswall cordless paint sprayer is an excellent option to keep on your radar. Kicking off the list, here's a cordless paint sprayer that proves convenience doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. The Tilswall cordless paint sprayer is aimed directly at DIY enthusiasts who want a tool that's easy to use right from the start. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight design, which becomes especially important during longer projects when heavier sprayers can quickly cause fatigue. Its generous 1,300 milliliter paint container outperforms many competing models, reducing refill interruptions and helping you stay focused on the job. 3 built-in spray patterns, vertical, horizontal, and circular, give you the flexibility to tackle everything from furniture and cabinets to fences and decorative trim. Switching between patterns is simple, making it easier to reach tight corners and awkward surfaces without constantly repositioning the tool. The finish quality is surprisingly smooth and consistent for a sprayer in this price range, delivering clean coverage with minimal effort. It's a practical choice for weekend projects where simplicity, portability, and reliable performance matter most, and it's easy to understand why so many first-time users keep recommending it. Stepping things up a notch from the compact handhelds, the Titan ControlMax 1700 is built for tackling a real renovation. This is more than a simple spray gun. It's a high-efficiency airless, or HEA, system. The headline feature is overspray reduction of up to 55% versus standard airless units. In plain terms, more paint lands on your wall and less drifts into the air or onto your floor. Operating pressure is 1500 psi, lower than many pro-grade machines, and that's actually intentional. The reduced pressure produces a gentler spray pattern that's far easier to manage, ideal for DIYers who find traditional airless sprayers a little intimidating to operate at first. A 30-foot hose lets you keep the pump stationary while moving freely around the space without constantly repositioning equipment. It's a dependable pick for repainting an entire home from top to bottom. Here's a bit of an underrated option for those craving pro-level results without a pro-level price. The MaXpray M1 is a genuine airless sprayer capable of drawing paint straight from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon container. Its standout trait is handling unthinned paint with ease. Many budget units force you to dilute latex paint, which can throw off both color and coverage, but the M1 skips that step entirely. It's built to handle up to 10 gallons worth of work, making it ideal for a mid-sized deck or a few bedrooms. It's small enough to tuck onto a shelf, yet strong enough to deliver that ultra-smooth, professional-looking finish. Think of it as the perfect middle ground, between entry-level toys and full-blown contractor equipment, giving you serious capability without the steep learning curve. The Wagner Flexio 590 might be the single most adaptable sprayer on our list. It runs on HVLP technology, but performs much like an airless unit. Two nozzle types come included: the iSpray head for broad surfaces such as walls, and a finer detail nozzle suited for cabinets and spindles. A favorite feature is the X-Boost dial, which lets you tweak air pressure on the spot to match whatever paint thickness you're using. It's also 50% quieter and 20% lighter compared to earlier versions, a noticeable improvement during extended sessions where fatigue can really start to set in. Output reaches up to 8 gallons hourly, plenty fast for most home projects. It's a refined, thoughtfully built tool that eliminates much of the trial and error. If you want a single sprayer capable of handling nearly any job around the house, this is probably it. Moving on, here's a brand that's earned a strong reputation in the affordable end of the market. The NEU MASTER cordless model is built around ease of use. Like other cordless tools on this list, it offers complete freedom of movement, though it has a slightly tougher feel in hand. Its 900 milliliter tank strikes a nice balance, large enough to finish a door or a small piece of furniture, yet light enough to hold for extended periods without strain. A particular highlight is the adjustable flow knob, which lets you fine-tune output precisely, essential when swapping between thin stain and thicker primer. Cleanup is also unusually painless, arguably the most dreaded part of any paint job, since the whole unit breaks down quickly for rinsing. For anyone wanting a no-fuss tool to spruce up a fence or patio set on a budget, this is a smart, low-risk choice that won't disappoint. For anyone facing a huge job, like an entire barn or a long run of fencing, you need serious muscle. And that's where the VEVOR 750W stand-mounted sprayer comes in. This machine doesn't hold back. It generates 3,000 psi with a flow rate of 1.2 liters per minute. For context, VEVOR states it works roughly 12 times faster than a paintbrush. Being stand-mounted means the unit stays put on the ground while you roam freely with the hose and gun. The intake tube drops directly into your paint bucket, letting you spray continuously without interruption. A stainless steel pump adds durability that outlasts the plastic components found in cheaper alternatives. It's likely overkill for something tiny like a birdhouse, but for sprawling exterior jobs that would otherwise eat up an entire weekend, it more than earns its keep in a single day's work. For serious users and professionals chasing flawless results, there's the Graco Ultra Airless Handheld. It's widely regarded as the benchmark among handheld sprayers. Power comes from DeWalt's XR lithium-ion battery line, but the real standout is its triax triple piston pump. The result is a smooth, professional-grade finish with zero thinning needed. What truly separates Graco from the pack is its ProConnect system. Should the pump ever fail, you can swap it out on-site in roughly 60 seconds. While most rival handhelds become disposable once the pump fails, this one keeps going thanks to full repairability. It's purpose-built for smaller jobs like doors, shutters, and trim work. It carries a premium price, but the finish quality and durability place it in an entirely different tier compared to disposable handheld competitors. The Graco Magnum X5 is essentially a smaller, more compact version of the X7. If the X7 appeals to you, but the 100-foot hose capacity isn't necessary, the X5 offers a more budget-conscious alternative. It delivers that same 3,000 psi of pressure and can pull straight from a 5-gallon bucket, but sits on a stand rather than a cart. Its popularity stems largely from how reliable it is. You still get the stainless steel pump in the simple power flush cleaning system, just in a more compact, easier to store design. It works great for interiors, decks, and fence projects alike. For plenty of homeowners, this lands right in the sweet spot of the whole Graco range. It delivers contractor-level results and rugged durability at a far more reasonable cost, which is hard to beat. It's a tried-and-true favorite and remains one of the smartest purchases you can make in 2026. While the Graco handheld suits smaller jobs, the Graco Magnum X7 is built for major undertakings. This cart-based airless sprayer is engineered for heavy-duty DIY or light commercial use. It can run up to 100 feet of hose, meaning you could park the unit in your driveway and still comfortably spray the entire rear of your house without ever moving the machine. A stainless steel piston pump enables high-pressure spraying with zero thinning required. One particularly handy feature is the power flush adapter, which connects to a standard garden hose and clears the system in just minutes. With a rating of around 125 gallons annually, it's well suited to property owners managing several structures who need a sprayer that can keep up. It's quick, powerful, and engineered for years of dependable performance. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best airless and high-performance paint sprayers for 2026. Just remember, a great finish depends just as much on prep and cleanup as it does on the sprayer itself, so don't cut corners on either step. Check the description below for current pricing and availability on every model featured here today.